Yeah, I got to talk about something that's just popping up in my head. As anyone here, hopefully you can resonate with this. Have any of you ever been to a Tony Robbins experience or a Tony Robbins event? And typically, most people, whether you've been to one or not, you know that there's a lot of selling that happens at a Tony Robbins event. There's people that are real estate gurus or book gurus or whatever the heck it is. And every single person that comes up is 100% convicted on what they're selling, or else they would not be on that stage. And it's electrifying. And I sat back at my first Tony Robbins event. I knew it was coming, and I was like, hey, I'm not gonna buy anything. And I just sat back and watched what happened. Speaker after speaker after speaker, convicted at what they're selling $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 products, and people running over each other to the tables after these speakers are done. If that doesn't speak to level of conviction, like I don't know what does. And we have trouble selling $120, $150 a visit. Like that's what we're speaking about. I mean, we have a problem with money with our practices, but you can overcome that by the level of conviction that you have and knowing what you truly can do for people. And people will always buy when you are convicted, when they feel that you truly believe that you can help them. So I just thought that kind of fit into the scenario of understanding that when you really are convicted, people will buy from you, and marketing can become more fun.
Yeah, I think I remember, it's been multiple years since I started T0. And I remember there being a moment where I went from like, I think that I'm worth this, to I know that I'm worth this, to I think I'm the best option for people, to not only do I think I'm the best option for people, but I think that they're making a terrible mistake by not coming here. And it's amazing how my practice has grown through those 4 steps of now that I'm like, listen, you can go somewhere else, but I think it's a terrible mistake. And that level of conviction is significantly different than like, I really hope that I'm worth this price. And that bleeds over into the people who work with me. And now they start to believe that if people are saying no to them, they're making a terrible mistake. And so it's kind of this infectious energy of like, we got to, not only can we help people, but by them coming to us, but we got to get them to buy in, because life outside of here is not a good option type of thing. And it's been crazy to see the change in the culture at our practice.